Now I want to show you the general method for constructing polygons of any side. Polygons of any side. Okay, so this method you can use to construct a square, which is a four-sided polygon, a pentagon, which is a five-sided polygon, a hexagon, which is a six-sided polygon, seven-sided polygon, eight-sided polygon, and nine-sided polygon, and so on. So we call this method, we call it general method for the construction of polygon of any number of side. Now in this case, you'll be given the length of side. That's what will be given to you. So the length of side that I'm going to use here now is 30 mm. Let me use 30 mm. So 30 mm. So take 30 mm on your ruler as I'm doing here. So this is 30 mm. Then locate the midpoint of the line, which is 15 mm. So draw a line like this. So the midpoint is here. Okay, so the midpoint is here. So this is the first point. Okay, and this is the end point. So I'm going to call this point. So this point is point A, and this point is point B. Okay, so at this point here, the midpoint of the line, which is 15 mm away from the end A and end B, erect a vertical line or a perpendicular line. Erect a perpendicular line on this point. So it goes like this. Okay, now the next thing that you are going to do is that draw a semicircle. Put your compass at this point here. At this point, let me call this point, let me call it point P. So let's call it point P. Okay, so put your compass at point P and extend to point B or A. Extend to point B or A, then draw a semicircle. Draw a semicircle. Semicircle goes like this. So draw a semicircle. Okay, so semicircle goes like this. So draw a semicircle. So this semicircle, wherever the semicircle touch this vertical line, so this is point 4. This is point 4. So this point 4 is a point where we put our compass. Where I'm going to put the compass. So when I put the compass and extend to point A or point B and draw a circle, that circle will be a circle or a circumscribed circle to a square. Okay, if I put my compass at this point 4, this is what I'm saying. Put at point 4 and extend to point A here. Extend to point A here, and I draw a circle. So the circle goes like this. Okay, circle goes like this. Okay, so if I put my if I take distance AB, like make an arc here. So bring it to point B. I make an arc here. Okay, so I can draw. So I draw this line here. So draw a line from A meeting the arc. And I join these together. And this. So this is point C, and this is point D. So this is a square. So this is a square. Okay. Now, if I put my compass at point B and extend to A here, and extend to A, and I draw an arc. So the arc goes like this. So the arc meets the vertical line at this point. It meets the vertical line at this point. So this point is point 6. So this point 6 is where I will put my compass and extend to A or B and draw a circle and that circle will serve as a circumscribed circle to a six-sided polygon. So putting my compass at this point and extend to point B here. Okay, if I draw a circle, circle goes like this. Okay, now so if I take length AB, from here, like make an arc here, an arc here, an arc here, and I make an arc here. So if I join this together, so let me call this E, F, G, and H. Okay, so if I join this together, okay, join this together. Okay, and I also join this together. Okay, so this is a six-sided polygon. So this is an hexagon, six-sided polygon. Now, how can I draw a five-sided polygon? How can I draw a five-sided polygon? So what we are going to do is that we are going to bisect distance. So we are going to bisect the distance between 0.4 and 0.6. Distance between 0.4 and 0.6, we bisect distance between 0.4 and 0.6, and that will give us a five-sided. So by bisecting the distance between 4 and 6, that will give us 0.5. So where we can put our compass and extend to point B or point A and draw a circle, and that circle will serve as a circumscribed circle to a five-sided polygon. What I'm saying is this: put your compass at point 6 and extend to any convenient radius, draw an arc here. So draw an arc here. With that same radius, bring it to point 4. Draw an arc here and draw an arc here. Okay, so by joining the point of intersection of the arcs together, we are going to get 0.5 on the vertical line. So it goes like this. Okay, so this point here, this point is 0.5. So here we have what? Here we have 5. So this is 0.5. Okay, so the next thing is put your compass at 0.5. Put it at 0.5 here and extend to point B. Okay, then extend to point B, then draw a circle. So circle goes like this. Okay, so that is circle. Then you take AB, length AB, take AB, then make an arc here and put it here. So you have an arc on this line here. Then put it here. So make an arc here. So let me call this. So this is point I. So this is point J. And this point is point K. Okay, so join this together with straight lines. Join this together with straight lines. So it goes like this. Okay, then so we join this together. Okay, so join this together and join Join this together. So join AK together. So this is a 5-sided polygon. So we have constructed 4-sided polygon, 5-sided and 6-sided polygon. So the next one I want us to talk about is how can we locate 0.7 on this vertical line? How can we locate 0.7 on this vertical line? It's very simple. What you need to do is to take your compass and take distance 5 and 6. Just take distance 5 and 6 or 4 and 5. Take this distance, so put it at 0.6 here. Take this distance and put your compass at 0.6. So make an arc here. So if I want to get 8, just continue with that same radius. This is 0.8. 9, this is 0.9. So this is 0.7. This is 7 and this is 8. So this is 0.8 and this is 0.9. So I want to construct a 7-sided polygon. Just put your compass at 0.7, extend to point B, extend it to point B here, and draw a circle. Draw a circle. Circle goes like this. Okay. So then you take your compass, put it at point A, extend to point B. So you make arcs on this circle. This is 1. That'll be 1, 2. So this is 3. So this is 4. This is 5. And the last one will give us the. So join this together. Join this together. Join this together. Okay. Okay. So join this together. Okay. And join this together. And the last one. So join the last one. Okay. So we have this. So this is a 7-sided polygon. This is a 7-sided polygon by number 8. So by number, so let's say this is what? This is 1, 2, and this is 3. This is 4. This is 5. This is 6. And this is 7. So it's a 7-sided polygon. It's a 7-sided polygon. So if I want to get that of 8-sided, so I'll just put my compass at 0.8 and draw a circle. Then take distance AB, that is the length of side given. So take AB and make 7 arcs on the line. So then join them together. So that will give you 8-sided polygon. For 9-sided, just put your compass at 0.9, extend to B and draw a circle. So it continues like that. So we use this method to construct polygons of any number of sides, and this is also known as the general method for constructing polygon of any number of sides. Thank you.